Namaskar. Today we are going to learn about Pushpak. What is Pushpak? Pushpak means a blooming flower. While doing the Pushpak, both hands move up, framing our face. The hands should not guard our face. Palms touch each other at the base of thumb mound. Make a complete twist, rotation as they came down to Utpatti position. Make sure while doing the Pushpak, do not lift your shoulder like this. It does not look good. Just twist. Simultaneously rotate your wrist and bring it back to the Utpatti position. Now with the Nagma. That's all for today. If you have any queries regarding the class, please feel free to do so in the comment section. Also, for detailed online and offline class, you can mail me. You can find my mail address in the description box below. See you in the next class. Till then, practice hard, practice properly. Happy dancing. Namaskar.